Damn it, you guys shut off when I was gone. But I stuck the incense right here. I don't know if you can see it. The smoke rising. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Okay, cool. Anyway, it's so stinky in here, I had to get this lighter, and I got my water, and I was talking to you guys when I came in and didn't notice that the battery was still on, the camera was still on, but the recording had stopped, so. Okay, so I hung a string from that knob. I need to paint a little bit more on there, and so I will, and there. I have quite a bit of painting to do, that's fine. So there's this string was hanging from this knob, and I'm going to tie this button to the end of that string to make it interesting and sailor-like, sailory. Not celery, but sailory. Maybe I should braid it. That's a great idea, but I don't know how to. Okay, let me try it this way. Shit, a brick, okay. Braid. Are you girls out there or what? Come on in. I'm trying to tie this up here. You guys will see it when I'm done, but I'm struggling with it a bit. It's kind of hard because the string is kind of short at this point because I braided it all the way up, and I don't want it to be too short because then I can't do anything with it. And now I'm slipping it back over the knob. Oh, shit. It's backward, okay. Take it off and turn it around. Cool. Cool, I think it's gonna be cool. Simple, but cool, and I'm wanting it to wave when they go down the road. It's not exactly flimsy, but it'll move a little bit. Oh. Okay, I had this rope hanging on there. Then I tied the button to this little rope, and then I braided it, kind of braided it, and put it on there. So it looks sailory, and it'll move when they're going down the road. I think that looks cool, and I think that's neat, and I think it's going to be fun. Now, this is the stuff I have to paint. See it? Should have bet I'm getting... Damn, okay. Of course, I'm multitasking, even out here in the mountains where I can't get texts and stuff. I'll try again. Shit, okay. Okay, that's fine. that text went through like it was easy. But half the time nothing goes through. Well, sometimes, usually a written text, a text will go through, but not a photo text. It took me 2 days to send a picture of my son's pillow that we bought him via text. It's not to suggest that he's going to be using it, but we bought it for him if he wants to use it. That's my son, Bo. I'm going to be sending out more texts later, but right now I've got to get this work done. So far, I've got the button hung up. Okay, I've got some curtains. I'm real amateur when it comes to sewing. That's okay with me. I don't need it to be fancy. I'm not doing super fancy stuff. I'm doing raw, crude stuff like I do all over the place. Now I'm making myself laugh because there's probably way too much truth to that. But no, what I mean is I like primitive sorts of, I'm attracted to the primitive or the rustic look, and that's what I'm going for. So my sewing works perfectly for that. If I were going for a pristine look, I'd hire my friend Ann Morrison to sew for me. She's a great seamstress here in town, and she just does really lovely work. She's done some work for me, and she's just really darn good at it. Now, how do I do this? Okay, I've got it figured out. Okay, Igor, I'm not in the mood for you. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna send a little flower. I love these little flower, I don't know, symbols that you can, emoticons or whatever, that you can text people, because they're so sweet. I love flowers. Everybody loves flowers, so I like to send people flowers. Hi, babe. I had myself so cracked up I was doubled over with laughter.
Really?
Yeah.
What was going on?
Yeah, well, you'll just have to watch it, because it was funny.
Honey, this looks so great.
Well,
in here.
come on in. I've got Sue hanging from the cupboard, and look at this, what I just did. I showed him.
Very nice.
Do you like it?
I do.
It's kind of weird, isn't it? But I like
neat.
it. Does it look sailory?
It does, honey.
Right on.
Does. This is, wow. This is our little ship, you guys.
Yeah, our little catamaran, not catamaran,
uh,
little big boat, little ship.
Yeah, we're gonna.
I wouldn't say she's a yacht. I'd say she's more hardworking than that. Almost like a fishery boat.
Oh, totally, baby.
Like, fucking A, you gonna fucking go on a trip with her, she's gonna get you home.
Right.
Except for that she stranded us several times. But she still got us home. Yeah, she just gave us an adventure in the fucking process.
We're gonna help her get some, like, new sails and...
Yeah, and I'm putting some of them on right now. Hun.
Yeah.
This is a sail. It's a very colorful, bright, pretty sail, hun. Look.
That's beautiful, babe. My baby made a beautiful sail.
I told him I'm a crude seamstress, but that goes with everything else.
Oh, baby, it's
too,
perfect. It's perfect.
Raw.
It's perfect for two, baby.
I think so too, because two is a practical ship. She's got to be used. She's gonna be so used, honey. She'll be happy. She'll have a new purpose in life.
Absolutely, she'll be out on the open seas again. That's where she really belongs.
Yes, I thought we were gonna retire her here. That's why she didn't want to come up here. She's like, I don't want to die and be left alone up there in some graveyard, forgotten. And I told her, if you give your life for Kos and Rufu, it's okay, isn't it? Won't it make you happy? And she's like, yes. So she gave her life for Kos and Rufu, and guess what? Now she's got a new damn lease on life. She's getting new curtains, new sails. She's gonna go out there. She's got a sailory little button hanging from her, and we're gonna paint a mural. But I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you. I'm so excited.
She's been good to us. Yeah.
She's so good. She got us through this damn hard winter.
She's our home, you guys.
She's our home, and I miss her. I miss her already.
Yeah, but She's got more adventures in front of her, you guys. Like it wasn't enough of an adventure, like living with us. Well, she sheltered us, so I should do that for the next people.
The weird jug?
I can't find it.
It's in the shower.
I looked,
It keeps falling out.
Yeah, I looked again.
The universe agreed.
Is it possible that I could look in the shower and not see it?
It's against the back wall up on stuff, I think. Or under stuff. I can't remember that part, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's possible, honey. Sorry, but I got some flowers sent in return. Huh. Oh. I just want a simple damn smiley face. There it is. Cool. Is that Igor Stravinsky? Man, I can see the similarities between him and Astor Piazzolla. But that's just a little too much conflict for me to handle right now. I'm like, maybe I'm mellowing out. That would be crazy. Let's see, I liked the Buena Vista Social Club that he played for me, so we're going for that. Okay, I got this stick so I can poke this string through. I could probably do it an easier way, but this seems like an exciting way to do it. Shoot a brick, it's working. I second guessed myself and took it off. I like this music. This music is perfect for what I'm doing. Shit, I think I just did that wrong. I did. Okay, how do I fix that? I take it all the way off and do it again. Okay, we need it where the seam's on the inside. Should break, okay. This is hard. Weird. Why is it? No, that's not gonna work either. Damn, that is the way. We want it like that, so it's got to go in like this. There's spatial stuff that I'm not good at, and I have to like just live with it, I guess, until I figure it out. But that's why I'm always lost and stuff. I found the perfect stick for this. Wow, that would be quite pretty, but I'm not going to go that route. But I have used sticks before as like Valance rods. They're as pretty as any fancy expensive thing, although I do like the fancy expensive stuff too. But if you don't have it, use a stick. My mom was very creative in decorating.